Hi, I'm Scotty. I service, repair and restore vintage and antique mechanical clocks. Welcome to Scotties Clock World. It is a little bit tight. Okay, that's got him. Hold that. Replace this pivot back into its bush. That should have it. Okay. And the going side. Look the plates again. That's in. You see what I mean about it takes time doing it like this. If you can't put them all in at once, you're doing them a bit at a time. First wheel's popped out again. We've got him. Now put a couple of nuts on that for a moment to hold it. Whoop. Not easy with cotton gloves on. There we go. Now we'll put the hammers in. You can see there's a spring there. That spring that holds that arm there under a slight pressure. We'll loosen these screws up and slide the hammer in. Which isn't particularly easy, but and then okay, so raise the bottom plate, the top plate a little bit down this end so we can get a bit more. Up. Got to come up further yet so that we can get to have to open these plates a bit more to let that slide in. We're getting there. Slowly bring that pivot down and across. Tiny bit too much. There we go. Squeeze the plates down. Tighten the nuts. There we have the hammer. Under tension of the spring so it returns to its original position each time it's struck. This is the rack hook right here. That pin, when you put the gathering pallet back on before you hammer it down to keep it firm, that pin has to fall